The origins of Lahore are shrouded in antiquity. Positioned on the main trade and invasion routes to South Asia, Lahore has been ruled and plundered by a number of dynasties and hordes. However, it touched the zenith of its glory during the Mughal rule from 1524 to 1752. The Mughals, who were famous as builders, gave Lahore some of its finest architectural monuments and thus the wonder that it exudes. As Akbar's capital for 14 years, from 1584 to 1598, this city was enclosed within a red brick wall boasting 13 unique gates, further adding to its mystery. Coming from the grandiose concept of art, life and defense, the gates of the walled city of Lahore, rather than merely sculpting an entrance to the rich city, offered a heightened physical experience. A spirit of life, a certain zeal, seems to have enveloped these gates over centuries, a whole universe around them. Today, the walled city has turned into a marketplace with the gates giving way to the old bazaars of Lahore. The life that is now manifested around these gates does not represent the purpose and culture surrounding them originally. However, each of these gates has evolved a unique character for itself over time. The Bhati Gate is located on the western wall of the old city. It is named after the ancient Rajput tribe of Bhatis, who were settled here by the efforts of Malik Ayaz, the Ghaznavid governor. Today, the area inside the gate is well known throughout the city for its food and bazaar. Exclusive to the ambiance of this gate are the locals that are found preparing and smoking the hookah. Right outside of Bhati Gate is the Data Darbar, the mausoleum of the Sufi saint Ali Hajweri. The Lahori Gate, built 1,000 years ago, originally by Mahmud Ghaznavi, was restored by the Mughals and later Sikhs. In antiquity, Ranjit Singh would use this gate to enter Lahore. Today, however, it is surrounded by shops. It is also recognized for its brilliant architecture. This gate was named Lahori after Lohars, who planted their workshops just outside it. This particular gate is believed to have retained its original character. Some of these gates have not survived, but interestingly, the bygone presence of these grand structures in the areas where they once thrived continues to enliven the city of Lahore. The Shalmi Gate.
वो दरवाज़ा अब एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है। शालमी गेट की अफसोस की बात है, उन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ही नहीं की। ये जल गया था इलाका शालमी का 47 के राइट्स में।
The Taksali Gate, located on the northwestern edge of the walled city, also known as the Taksal or Royal Mint, was built during the reign of the Mughals. Inside the gate is the Jamia Masjid Taksali Gate, which was built by the famous builder of the Badshahi Mosque, Abdullah Khan. The tilework, or kashikari, that decorates the mosque indicates that it was constructed somewhere around the early Aurangzeb era. Beyond this market is the Fakir Khana Museum, a private museum which exhibits historical objects belonging to the Fakir family and the Sikh rulers. Today, only some of these historic gates stand devoid of their architectural character and purposely without their walls. But the life that they have nurtured over the years continues the legacy of this precious city in its own eccentric way.